Everybody, a very good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whatever time it is for you. Take it my salutation that way. I'm Justine Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And we design, manufacture, and supply home and office decor and interior solutions where we have luxury, premium quality, and also an affordable range of interior products, corporate gifting items and stuff, and art and installations as well. Um, I have more than 25 years of experience and stuff, primarily from retail, interior solutions, architectural work as well, and of course, with retail came in global business management, brand communication, international events, national events, radio, TV, PR, stuff like that, business development, and all that. So my interaction is over the years been with various international and national brands, not just luxury, but yes, primarily those as well. And as I've been in the global communication and PR, the interaction has also been with quite a number of media personalities. And now as an entrepreneur as well, which is the second role I have, I also interact and I, kind of participate and take forward discussions and stuff on bilateral in some forums. In thought shares, also I participate uh, at SOCHAM, FICCI, CII, whatever, depends. And as a part of humanitarian clubs and stuff, I also participate and given my time for voluntary work or for thought sharing or whatever, which kind of benefits our society, humanity, our country, and stuff like that. So as I do all of that, a thought or a outlook which I very persistently keep in my mind is improvement. And I'm not talking about improvement as a person yourself. I'm talking about improvement, improving everything. So improving everything, yourself, your life, your circles, your outlook, your attitude, your personality, your taste preferences, what you've been a part of and what you don't want to be a part of and stuff like that. And I find that certain people may find this whole concept of practicing continuous improvement overwhelming. It's true, it can be overwhelming for a lot of people. I understand that, and I've been through this, but I was like, I'm going to overcome all of that, because the more I improve, the more I work on myself, the better it gets for me and stuff. And I'm a firm believer in just flow with whatever is happening with you in life and stuff. So my read or my share here are a set of lines that I've kind of rephrased, and it says practicing continuous improvement. So the thought of making multiple improvements will actually be downright overwhelming for you and stuff. And how do you make that easier? You make that easier by kind of looking it as a small change. So we very casually or very regularly use this word. It's a good change. If I go for a holiday, it's a good change for me. But a holiday brings a lot of stuff. It becomes a lot of exposure, it becomes a lot of new experiences, it becomes a change of attitude, becomes a change of place, a change of how you're feeling and stuff, new experiences and all that. So if you were to look at consistent change or continuous